Hey there, beautiful. This Reuben pizza's about to get loaded, but nothing tops how stunning you look today. Let's start by blooming the yeast. Mix a quarter teaspoon of sugar into 3/4 of a cup of warm, not hot, warm water. Add a quarter of an ounce of active yeast, that's 1 packet or about 2 1/4 teaspoons, to the warm water and let it stand until foamy. While the yeast is blooming, combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour and half a teaspoon of table salt in a large mixing bowl. Add the water and bloomed yeast to the dry ingredients and mix until all the flour is incorporated. Then turn it out onto a clean, lightly floured surface to knead. After about 5 minutes of kneading, the dough should become smooth. Form it into a ball and place it back in your mixing bowl along with a tablespoon of vegetable oil. Turn the dough over to coat it in oil. Then cover the bowl with a clean towel and let it proof at room temperature for 30 minutes. When the dough has proofed, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease your pizza pan or baking sheet and roll the dough out into a 12-inch circle. Transfer the rolled-out pizza crust to the greased pizza tray, then dock it by pricking it with a fork a dozen times or so. Bake the crust by itself at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 minutes. For toppings, we'll use 1 cup of Thousand Island dressing, 5 ounces of shredded Swiss cheese, a teaspoon of caraway seed, 8 ounces of sliced pastrami, sauerkraut of course, and 4 more ounces of shredded mozzarella and/or provolone. The bottom layer will be the dressing, spreading it out like pizza sauce. Then evenly distribute the shredded Swiss cheese over the sauce and then sprinkle on caraway seeds. The pastrami goes on top of the Swiss, followed by the sauerkraut. Ensure your sauerkraut is well drained. You may even want to squeeze any excess moisture out with a clean towel. Add the mozzarella on top of the sauerkraut, return to the oven, and bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 11 to 13 minutes. When the crust is golden brown and the cheese is bubbly and starting to brown in spots, remove the pizza from the oven and let it cool a few minutes before slicing. All that's left is for you to make this Reuben pizza a reality in your kitchen. You'll be glad you did.